As organizations adopt AI more broadly, one of the challenges is not just enabling access, it's keeping spend predictable. In this video, I'll use GitHub's billing and governance experience to identify where spend is coming from and apply guardrails before cost becomes price. I'm starting in the GitHub Billing Administration portal where I can monitor usage and configure controls. In this walkthrough, the billing admin experience is the hero because every decision starts from this interface. Let's say this month's bill came in higher than expected. The first thing I need to answer is simple. Where is the spend coming from? I'll start with metered usage so I can see what changed before I apply any controls. Here the increase is coming from Copilot Enterprise SKU. Next, I'll group by organization. One organization stands out. That tells me where to focus the investigation. Now, I'll move to cost center to see where usage is concentrated. Here I can see that one cost center is responsible for the majority of AI consumption. In this example, that cost center is averaging around 20,000 per month. Now that accountability is clear, I can move directly into governance controls. I'll use three controls, including usage boundaries, an organization budget, and a cost center budget. A cost center level cap keeps included usage aligned to the group that owns it. Next, I'll set budgets at two levels. At the organization level, I'll set a monthly budget of 200,000 as the enterprise planning guardrail. Then for cost center, I'll set a monthly budget of 20,000. Some teams choose hard limits. Many start softer with monitoring and early alerts. Here, I'll start with monitoring and email alerts so budget owners get early warning without interrupting developer productivity. I can also apply a default per user budget for everyone in this cost center. For example, $200 monthly level user budget gives each developer a clear boundary without manual one-by-one management. The simplest way to remember precedence is more specific first, individual override, then cost center, user budget, then universal budget. So instead of managing everyone at one flat enterprise level, administrators can create a layered governance model, broad defaults for everyone, cost center controls for business units, and individual exceptions only when they are needed. And as the business grows, spend can be tracked across up to 1,000 cost centers, so this remains workable even across a large enterprise. The control follows business structure, so governance stays scalable as teams change. With GitHub's billing and governance capabilities, organizations can move from reactive cost management to proactive planning while keeping costs.